to your view trending news updates from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. Tinubu is busy. Price of rice and other food items are coming down, says Bwala. Security. Economy improved significantly under me, says Buhari. Badnoch proposes stricter UK citizenship requirements for immigrants. Now the news in detail. The special advisor to President Bwala Tinubu on policy communication, Daniel Bwala, has submitted that the policies and programs of the current administration are yielding positive results. Bwala urged Nigerians to ignore the naysayers and believe in the process introduced by President Tinubu, which focuses on the agenda of rebuilding Nigeria. NaijaNews reports that the presidential media aide gave the submission on Thursday via his account on the X platform, where he gave a recap of what he said in a TV interview earlier in the day. Bwala insisted that President Tinubu is busy working for the citizens and the country is on the right path of economic recovery. The administration's food security strategies are yielding positive outcomes, with food prices gradually coming down and stabilizing. The price of rice and some other staple foods items are evidently coming down. President Tinubu is busy, he wrote. In other news, former President Muhammadu Buhari has stated that the country's security and economy improved significantly during his 8th tenure. Buhari stated this on Wednesday while receiving members of the Katsina State Correspondent Chapel of the Nigerian Union of Journalists at his country home in Daura, Katsina State. The former president stated that he inherited a bad economy and security challenges from the People's Democratic Party (PDP), which was in government for 16 years. Buhari, however, asserted that his government strategy successfully tackled these challenges, curbing terrorism and economic action. He said, "Nigeria's security and economy improved significantly under my administration compared to what we met in 2015. Things will continue to improve in Nigeria." The former president also acknowledged the country's administrative challenges, noting that only those in position of power truly understand these obstacles. And lastly for tonight, United Kingdom Conservative leader Badnoch has proposed significant changes to the country's immigration policies. She suggests extending the residence requirement for immigrants to apply for British citizenship from the current 6 years to 15 years. Additionally, Badnoch advocates for a lifetime ban on obtaining UK citizenship for anyone who enters the country illegally. The Conservative Party aims to implement a strict cap on migration numbers and ensure that citizenship is granted only to those who have demonstrated a substantial commitment to the UK. It's important to note that these proposals represent a significant shift from current policies. As of now, immigrants can apply for British citizenship after 6 years of residence, provided they meet specific criteria, including holding indefinite leave to remain and demonstrating good character. These proposed changes are subjected to political debate and will require legislative approval before implementation. And that ends the news for tonight. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos. Good night.